How to share your location on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your messaging app. Head over to the contact to whom you want to share the location. You can use this messaging app to share the location on iPhone. In order to share location on iPhone, you must have added the person to your contact list. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Open the conversation with that person, then click on this plus icon given at the bottom left corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of location. Now map will open up. Now you can click on that map, select the location that you want to share, and then click on the option of share. Share my location indefinitely until end of the day for 1 hour. Select the option of your choice. Now you can send it. So this way you can easily share your location on iPhone. By following the same steps, you are able to share your location with any of your contact in the iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.